Oh, we got a require weekly test.
You make me feel things I never.
We got EAS number 22. There will be EAS number 23 on the radio test. Today is the lucky 13th. A required weekly test.
In an attack, Mangione also had a 3D printed gun that police say matches the shell casings found at the murder scene. Felipe Rodriguez is with the John Jay College of Criminal Justice.
They're very simple to be made, you know, all you need is a computer program, a 3D printer, and time. Like I tell people all the time, it's not a complicated process. If you know how to work a laptop, it's a very simple thing.
Mangione has hearings scheduled back here in court on December 23rd and on the 30th. At that date, his attorney could once again ask for bail as they continue to fight that extradition to New York. Lina Luciano, CBS News, Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania.
Still ahead on CBS News Roundup, we talk with the man behind the blockbuster hit Squid Game as the second season prepares to drop.
We're Trillion Health and Hormone, a healthcare company helping thousands of people lose weight. And we're now offering treatment with GLP-1s, the revolutionary weight loss medication everyone's talking about. With Trillion Health, get the personalized care you need to lose 15% of your body weight with one weekly shot. Losing 15% of your body weight is possible with Trillion Health. In-person or telehealth visits available. Get started by visiting TrillionHH.com.
This station is committed to providing educational and informative children's television programming.
Lady Justice does not play. What matters to me is justice. They should get justice too.
The following rules cover KOLN KGIN contests, but may be superseded by separate rules for specific contests. One winner per household per contest. Some individuals may be ineligible. Unless otherwise stated, entrants must be a legal U.S. citizen 18 or older. Contests may be conducted over a variety of platforms. KOLN KGIN is not responsible for technical difficulties. Prizes are non-transferable and cannot be exchanged or redeemed for cash. Decisions of KOLN KGIN are final. We reserve the right to substitute.
Winter weather,
Right?
Winners must
Is that
present
the EAS?
and information.
No, it's just only weekly
For
test.
complete official rules, visit 1011now.com.
When I was
Did
growing
you do the weekly test yet?
television was in black and
Almost started. Soon.
wasn't much black about it. TV didn't look like it. Times have changed. Today, there are challenges designed for African Americans.
This is a weekly test.
The emergency alert system.
Peppa
This
Pig.
station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing the equipment to keep a warning you in the event of an emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Here, participant says, the voice says, let's see, has a scroll banner, has a Peppa Pig. On Nick Jr. I saw EAS on South Park.
It might be something that you should look into about Ike staying after school all the time. We haven't seen you yet.
There's Peppa Susie with the required weekly test of the emergency alert system. And emergency alert system participant has issued a required weekly test for the following counties or areas: Butler, Dodge, Jefferson, Johnson, Lancaster, Nemaha, Odo, Pawnee, Platte, Richardson, Saline, Saunders, Seward, York, Nebraska at 2:05 a.m. on December 13th, 2024, in effect till 2:20 a.m. Message from Lincoln, Nebraska channel. There's Grandpa Pig song, the weekly test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment to keep a warning an event in an emergency. Mom?
What?
You hear that participant's voice? The RWT. And Polly Perry, you heard the weekly test of the emergency alert system.
Who can that be at this time?
So that being said, stay tuned on the radio test of the emergency alert system. I'll see you on the radio 105.3 The Bone.
Merry Christmas.